going on? What's going on? Let's get it, yo. So welcome to my little trading session, you dig? So I'm about to tee up real quick. Hop in a few trades, you feel me? About to trade phone up right now. Right now. All right. All right, let's see what we can find real quick. NASDAQ, red, Finviz. Technology sector kind of red today. Feel like the DAC gonna start building itself back up though. I'm just looking at US 30. That shit pushing today. SPX 5 was in consolidation right now, but it's already had its push up. So, I mean, I don't know. I feel like NASDAQ gonna follow it. I don't feel like it's gonna keep bleeding all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get me a little position now real quick. For sure, for sure. So I got me a little position in. All right, I bought at 12,954, 12,950. No, 12,959. My bad. 12,959. That was this position right here. I'm gonna show you. So this is what my 5-minute look like, right? Well, I can make this. All right, so here's what my 5-minute look like. I don't know if you can see that. It should adjust soon. But that's the buy I just took right there. So yeah, it's fluctuated, going up and down. I know the stock market got mixed feelings this morning for me, but we're gonna watch it on the big screen rather than on the small screen. Okay. So let's pull up the big screen. Like I said, see Finviz, technology sector, which is really, you know, the thing that be moving the NASDAQ. I'm looking for my lighter. All right, so technology really moves the DAC, you feel me? So we're gonna slide over there right now just to see what's been going on today. So we got a little bit of red, Microsoft and Apple a little red today. But everything else seems like it's holding. It's like 7:30 right now. It said SPX was moving to the top side. US 30 shit was booming really all morning. All right, so here I am. I'm in at 59. So price is at 57 right now. All right, and I know it's still bloody red, right? Still crazy bleeding red. But I'm looking at price to play off this little area right here. Boom. Feel me? And if I was just to play it like this, yes, it could break through. That's a strong possibility that it could break through. But like I said, I fucking looked at all the other markets, SPX, US 30, you know, and I see everything pretty much on the move. I'm talking to you guys. I'm thinking I'm marking up the joint. Here it is right here, though. So here it is right here, y'all. So price is at 12,970. So I entered at 12,959. You feel me? I'm up 10 points right now on that. All right, so here's the 5-minute. All right, and we just gonna float it all the way up and show you the position again. This off the 5, okay? So get in, you look at Finviz. Well, I look at Finviz, you know what I'm saying? So there's that position right there. Feel me? And we're just gonna let that shit develop. All right. So we're gonna watch it from this screen though, on the big screen rather than, you know, this little small screen. But that's how you snipe up the NASDAQ real quick. You feel me? Just caught that jit pretty much like DXY. I know that price is high right now. All right. This is what I see for the day. It's almost like it already moved. Yeah, we got fresh highs. This is a brand new high for me, especially for the week. So we got a new weekly high. I just expect us to pull back a little bit. DXY been showing us some power. Let's go over to the economic calendar and see what's on the board for today. All right, we got Euro news coming up. We had some U.S. crude stock news. The Fed already spoke. So U.S., I guess it was a good day for the dollar, right? A good day for the dollar. Everything pushed up. It was a nice little day for the dollar. For me now, you know, we're going to go over here to Finviz just to check the financial stock market. You see, even NASDAQ is pushing up to the top side. Everything is still kind of green, though. This is like, it's showing me like a, like the little hour chart, you know what I mean? It updates though. It updates a lot. You feel me? Really, I think this is like the 15-minute. I come here a lot, you know, and every time I refresh, sometimes it updates, sometimes it doesn't. It's really lagging, but you know what I like Finviz for is just like the holistic view of the market. You know what I'm saying? To be able to look at the entirety of what it is. You feel me? All right, so that's that right there. All right. See, dollar still moving to the top side. It's been sitting here all day, but I don't know, like overall, I feel like we're gonna have a good day in the market. This the daily for US 30. That shit was booming. So this is a higher low. You feel me? So the previous high price is 33,200. So I definitely feel like maybe not today, but when this shit starts moving, definitely throughout the week we should at least try to go smack this high right here. We still got like 2 more days. It's a Wednesday. You feel me? So it's Wednesday right now. You feel me? Let's move back over here. That's how you playing it off the daily. And previous to that, right? You had a morning star. Yeah, you got a little pullback or whatever, but still, I feel like that just gonna try to move up. Like it's the stock market. You feel me? So, no, I do not feel you. We're just gonna sit here and feel me ride this trade. The entry was 59, so I'll go ahead and pop that right there, so you guys can see there's 59 right here, right? And then the target we could do 13.1, so that's like 151 points on the target. Now we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna turn on some music, you know what I'm saying, and vibe, because like I don't like trading in the library. It gotta be a whole little vibe for me. It's the vibes for me. Put them in the dirt. Okay, let's get it. So where would you actually get out? Like I said, it's the NASDAQ. Here's the dollar. I pretty much expect the dollar, you know, to be at where it's at for today. It could break out of this consolidation and just prove you all the way wrong. You feel me? It could break out of this little consolidation, prove me wrong. We low-key had a nice little day. Let's read the news though. Alright, consensus 0.6, boom, boom. Percent higher or lower. The actual came out 0.8, so all these negatives are worse. So this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, these were positive numbers of the previous. The consensus showed that, you know, we were still not even at a negative number yet. And then when the actual came out, we came to a negative number. So that's bad news for the dollar. Initially, I thought we had I didn't go in to read the news. I just looked at, you know, I just breezed over it. I thought it was a good day for the dollar because of what I was reading, candlestick wise. You feel me? But sometimes you might have to go in and actually read the news. So now I'm actually reading news and breaking it down and just getting a nice little view of the marketplace. You feel me? This PMI, yeah, it's worse than expected. The previous was 59.5, and then it came out 59.1, with the consensus being 59.2, so it's lower than expectations. So that's what that means. 59, a solid 59. Well, it's higher than the previous, okay, but the consensus came out 59.3, so it's like only 0.3. You feel me? A little bit lower than the actual consensus. Fed chair, that's the actual speech. You know, that's the chair. That's somebody talking. Cruise stocks, it seems like cruise stocks went down by, it was at 2.3, and then it came down to 1.9. So that's that. DXY, we getting some steam on that. Let's slip back to the NASDAQ. Let's go ahead and turn this up right here. Go to the 5 minute. And then let's make this a little bit bigger. There we go. So my entry still rocking. Entry still rocking. So we just vibing right now. We'll take that shit up 100 points. Close that motherfucker. Call it a day. Like I said, I'm about to put some music on though. So let's vibe. Let's vibe. Let's vibe. Let's vibe. And I'm clean. See this, that motherfucker? Get that cool on smash. Guarantee that I'ma keep my foot on the dash. I'm trying to see. Oh, trade that shit. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. I know it's the same play. This that shit right here. This that shit right here. This gonna be on the album. This gonna be on the album. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. We gonna vibe to this shit. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. Welcome to my boarding session. Let's get it. You feel me? Welcome to my boarding session. Let's vibe.
Calculation.
Trade that shit. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. Dope, and he up to play like coke. Young street nigga, we gon' live by the code. Bitcoin hit 40,000 on swole. Big dogs own what your little homies don't. Dope, and he up to play like coke. Young street nigga, we gon' live by the code. Bitcoin hit 40,000 on swole. Big dogs own what your little homies don't.
Trade that shit. 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 Trade that shit.
I know, it's the same thing like snow. Back that shit up, moving south on go. Bust that shit down so the pack's not slow. Trapping out these markets, every pack gon' roll. Got more equity so the trades gon' flow. Got quarantine packs right off the cell phone. This that motherfucker trade gang stuff that I'm on. This that pay me on my funds before we up that pole. Look, you know I can't give you the whole thing because obviously you gotta go get the album. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. Trade that shit. I know. You hear me? Alright, let's go to and I'm clean. Trade dreams. Or not, Rolls Royce energy, because you gotta be on that energy to start off the market.
Shit. Top feels so much better than the bottom, baby. So much
niggas
better.
how I'm living, you know what I'm saying?
For the hood, living like
You ain't paying with a maid. What do I do? You just wait.
It's that lifestyle difference. You see the difference, nigga. Everybody listen, I tell them listen. Now we off that Forex, we own it. I don't trap, I trade, baby, I'm on. Look, so let's really talk dividends. The big dogs move the mortals in. Look, Forex living, Forex moving. ETX stocks, baby, all inclusive. REITs, bitch, I'm really a mix. Niggas mad that I'm black and move stocks like bricks. On the same thing as Buffett, I found some monthlies that hit. Found some annual flips and some quarterly kicks. Moving cake like packs. Oh, okay, the grass is greener where you water it. So I watered it. Had to get my crypto miners busted, then I forwarded it. Got my eyes set on a pair and then I targeted, locked it in. Profit margin set, then I talk my shit and now I'm barging in. Forex on my face, better take that triple what the charges is. Latency, a spreads a kill a lot before the targets hit. If money's in the market, then it's working less. The dollar's been flexing. I remember trading Brexit, championship balling like a Wayne Gretzky. Stressless, diamonds should be so impressive, but under stress I see some diamonds crumble under pressure.
Comment your city in the chat. Comment your city in the chat. Make sure you spam that like button. Put on your notifications because your boy gonna be dropping some heaters. You feel me? Let's get it.
And like the way that I'm wavy, and that's the life of the trade. If the vibe was up to life and let them know. Let the motherfucking baby
that shit go, you feel me?
Bitch,
really?
Equity up and
hey, yo, Kizzy, what the fuck? Y'all know this vibe.
Shit, bro. Keep sending these tracks through. Here we go, 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 here we go. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that.
And I know, it's pulling back right now. It's pulling back, but
run up the rope, that's a big back. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack.
The market is the ocean. It moves forward and backwards, forward and backwards, forward and backwards.
Run up the rope, back. Bitch, niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool, swerving through the lane on 26. Hey yo, big business, bought some land, make a big flip. Say less. You on them currencies, just a little tip. NAS100, that's some big shit. US 30-yard profits at a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end. Hey, pool babies on the back end. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Okay, now slice the cheese up, buy land with it. Withdraw it. Then you sandwich it. Okay, get it out the mud with rubber bands and work the plans. Leave it up to ops and they'll fuck your other hand. Keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on your sand. Time always moving, so you better keep the fan. Always check the eyes and they posture and they stance. Creeping through the lane in the roar, ain't no plane, ain't no sorry, ain't no shaking hands. You already had the chance to the parter. Sliding through the pockets, taking profits out with chargers. So who really own you to get your back in? What's really good? Niggas never been a boss, but talking pack shit. Alright, you don't even own your own master, that's a bad plan. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Get a mask, man. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Ay, fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big back. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack.
There to start the boarding.
Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back. I wake up, life is different and I see the views. Lebo hitting different colors, I can see the hues. Rory sitting all black, it's a different blue. And that SVJ, that's the Asian blues. Yeah, I walk to my Rolls, open up the door. Start the engine, drop the top, and I'm on the road. Like the tip of the J while I'm on the go. Close a trade and move the point to the honor roll.
Right now, the profit on heat is $535.
47 trades up, I'm a blast. Black Air Force Ones and Black Max. What's up? I'm in my all black energy, all facts. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Ay, fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big back. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Ay, fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back.
That's some bangers. Let's see. NASDAQ, smoking on that gas pack. These my trade dreams, this is all that I know.
3, 2, 1. And I'm clean. Say this that motherfucker. Say this that motherfucker. This that motherfucker. Ay, keep that cool on smash. Look, guaranteed that I'ma keep my foot on the dash. Look, spark off the bun and put my boot on the ash. Walk away and put the loot in the stash. Ay, say crack kills, but so do record deals. I'd rather trade or die if we talking record spins. Back to checking chins, be a trillionaire. But first, look, ay, let me check the stands and go 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4. Ay, get sock, rock, block, down at your show. Niggas wearing suits, but I'm back to wearing my own. Back inside the markets, I'm back inside of my zone. Back to back, demons agree, eat alone. Facing all these fees, serve them all till they gone. These my trade dreams, fill all the needs at home. This my lifestyle, baby, I'm on the go. These my trade dreams, this is all that I know. These my trade dreams, give me another stove. Whip that trade phone up until it's hot. Let them trades leak up just like a rock. Justice like Coke Rock. Give me the meta trader. I'ma show you what it's about. Niggas always hate to see that smirk on your mouth. Why? Cause they was raised by some women. So the bitch tendencies always stick with them. Welcome to the streets where you better get your money. Listen to your uncle cause he probably said something. Listen to your grandma cause she probably keep it running. Anyways, back to the streets. Ay, please don't get caught in another man's honey. Ay, trades run deep, keep the trades up 100. You ain't saying nothing but these stripes 100. King Kong dunks, ay, call me Big Ty, you can call me Big Money. You gon' take the leap, take it without the bungee. Bring this shit together like scrunchies. Every single line is a punchy. If we in the ring, I'm a lion, you to lunch me. Now that we got Forex, we ain't waiting for your lunches.
Now that we got Forex, we ain't waiting for your lunches.
Little homies trading coming up like a sunset.
Little homies trading coming up like a sunset.
Long Beach attitude, bitch, cause I run shit.
Long Beach attitude, bitch, cause I run shit.
And I'm clean. Look, back-to-back wins in the motherfucking market. Did a lifestyle, been living before TFX. Had to cook this.
And then we went to the news and we read the bad news, you feel me? So a lot of reports came back worse than expected. So, I mean, you're going to see a little bit of that data being reflected into the marketplace for sure, for sure. For the people who wanted that second buy, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I know I'm just recording this right now, but I'm just giving you letting you see how everything moves. I didn't take that second buy, you know what I'm saying? But For the people who do and who did, is there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And okay. See, that's that motherfucking. Put that trailing stop on smash, bitch. Ain't getting back shit, bitch. Trying to stop that real quick though. Yes, sir. So I just put a trailing stop at 963. You feel me? And okay. I'll move it up accordingly. But let's I could close that shit and be like 2 bands in 20 minutes. Let the other shit float. Run that little bitch at. Withdraw. Life could be different. Oh, nah. I got the song.
And I make coke. And I make coke. And I make coke.
Hold on.
And I make coke. Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls. Young and out of control. Shoot my shot. Knock it down like a free throw. Shoot my shot. Knock it down like it's dominoes. And I make coke. Trading and I make coke. And Versace rolls. Young and out of control. Shoot my shot. Knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot. Knock it down like it's dominoes. Hey. Voice too good. Every day. Payday. Wait day. Never on the way. That's just an asset I beat to the jack. Running around me, bitch, I stay with the check. Honey breed beats, bitch, I stay with respect. 100 degrees in the G to the max. I'm in the market, D with the packs, little bitch. I got Forex, tatted on my tempo. You can see it fold, sorry, but it's tenfold. Hey, a line in the market, it's a lynch, bro. We in the field with 2 scope with the big dress. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock it down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw.
So let's say you would've got that little sniper at us 30.
Like it's dominoes.
You be up a little bit right now.
Don't be stupid.
You be eating a little bit right now. We on that DAC though. NAS100 pack 100.
If video gon' pay his dividends from the movement, I need 10 million shares from the deal. I'm coolin'. The data in the market got a push from the student. This a Tyler stock tips on my list for improvement. Every time I speak a stock, check the charts, I'ma do it. If I tell that bitch to jump, then it jump. If I get pissed, we all selling that junk. 6-4 is the wave, then we crashing the funk. We smashing these rappers, dispatching the funds. Ay. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, out of control.
751.
Knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my
Like a
shot,
lot of
knock it
people,
down
like I
like
said,
it's
y'all just
dominoes.
scared
And I
of
mean
the waves,
coke,
but
trading and I
that's
mean
just a
coke.
part of the market.
And Versace
It's
rolls,
gonna print red and green candlesticks, you feel me?
down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I make coke. Ay. And I make coke.
Usually I don't even be watching this bullshit. I be playing video games. But, you know, nigga gotta make content, so I just been grinding it out. Like, fuck it. I'll make a trading session for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Bring y'all in one time, get it cracking. Why not, you feel me? Go hop on Mortal Kombat or some shit, like, that's what I'm probably about to do, you know what I'm saying? But this gonna move, it's gonna do its thing, you know what I'm saying? I guess I can sit here for like another 7 minutes, roll a blunt or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Roll a blunt, let it play out, because I don't want it to be red and you be, oh, he just getting off, and then as soon as he get off, it's gonna drop. Like, hold this motherfucker out. You feel me? That's how we gonna do it. Today, I got time today. I just hopped in the market, got time today. I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted if I play that shit on here. I don't give a fuck though. I'm about to play that shit. Cause I went in. Alright. Went in on that freestyle. No cap.
New time.
Oh
yeah.
Yeah.
What's up?
I just looked at my trades, I got time today. Run up a back so it's fuck out my way. Keep a barrel funnel so stay out my lane. Keep that shit G aiming straight at your face. Keep that shit street, we ain't playing no games. Hop in the market then double back. Then hop in the coupe, I ain't saying no names. Hop in your bitch just to play on her legs. I'm fucking her, she got her hands on my waves. Pull out my phone then I hop in the trade. I'm off your girl then it's straight to the plane. You blowing her up but she ran up a play. Big bat, ayy, big runs. Yo bitch gon' turn it to dancer. Answer, get around bosses, she antsy. Get off the liquor, she nasty. Came to the party, she acting all cocky. Stop copped it. She say she really just classy. Look, cool, ass cheeks. Look, hang out the back of that dress. Freak 'em. It's only Tuesday, she think it's the weekend. It's only Tuesday, we straight to the freaking. I know, ayy, run up that moolah so much, you think I hit lotto. Block runner, keep that shit wavy so hot, you probably get rocked on. Now it's back to my charts. Keep it low key so you fuck with a star. Hop in the whip and you push it to start. Look at the ceiling, we sit on the stars. Start up the spaceship, we straight off the Mars. Start up the drama, you ride on my car. Bars, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Raise all the beepers up, collect the leases up, switch all the seasons, brush straight to the shop, then we switch up the seats. I never switched up on none of my woes. Yeah, I got money, it come with the woes. My lifestyle litty, I know what I know. I keep all my money and act like I'm broke. I pay all my bills and I tell people no, but real shit, ayy, your problem's not what I deal with. Got my own mix and I got my own bullshit. I put my money on stocks, you spend your money just to look rich. Bank account screaming out why. I stack on paper all up to the sky. Can't even see it, be blind in your eyes. Go to my neck, but the value gon' rise. Market been heavy, but prices alike. Index is running with Joe and the C. President's really not making no games. Trump just has to send out the tweets. Everything up, we notice the change. But me, I'm just surfing the wave, I'm a wave runner. Trade what I see, collect the money, don't say nothing. Trade what I see, if it's up, then it's up. Put in some buys when it break the new high. I'm a big dog, keep it up, I'm a big star in this trading world, nigga. Market maker, just a step to me, nigga. Running wild, just a step to get richer. Your bank account screaming, please get bigger. I'ma need Visine like it's TMZ. See nothing bigger, me and me. Keep my face card strong, I don't need ID rings. Tryna be like me, you can be like T. Cause I be in things real, but abilities been like reality. Adrenaline, crack your spine, IV. Not coming back and I'm not high C. Not running out, this is not like Lee. Little nigga, wrap this shit up, this is all I see. Little nigga,
we out of here. Nigga, West Side Tie. Bitch, what's happening? Make your money and bounce.